Number 5. Gaggia Anima. Panarello steam wand for frothing milk. Programmable brewing options for espresso and espresso lungo. 3 different temperature settings. Features a removable 60 ounces water reservoir. 8.8 ounce capacity bean hopper. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Gaggia Velasca. Panarello steam wand for frothing milk. 3 different temperature settings. Ceramic burr grinder with 10 fineness settings. 5 brew strength settings, and bean hopper with 10.5 ounces capacity. Features a 54 ounces capacity and pulls out from the front of the machine. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. DeLonghi La Specialista. Exclusive sexing technology delivers precise, consistent grinding. Active temperature control with dual heating system. Microfoam frothing for latte art or rich froth for cappuccino. Simply pull the lever to tamp the ground coffee with the right pressure for perfect results. No additional heat up time necessary. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Breville Bess 870 XL. The Breville Barista Express delivers third wave specialty coffee. Integrated precision conical burr grinder grinds on demand. Low pressure pre-infusion gradually increases pressure. Digital temperature control delivers water at precisely the right temperature. The powerful steam wand performance. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Philips 3200. Intuitive touch display, frequency, 60 Hz. Adjust aroma strength and quantity. 12-step grinder adjustment. Up to 5,000 cups without descaling. Removable brew group for easy cleaning. Please check the description for details and best price.